So Serbian tennis superstar Novak Djokovic continues to put more daylight between himself and the rest of the field in terms of Grand Slam titles won, 24 titles and counting. And not only is the debate now escalated, some say the debate is over as to who is the greatest tennis player of all time. But of course, things start get groggy with the narrative nosediving to the point where Djokovic is now equal in Grand Slam wins with the Australian lady great, Margaret Court, who is also on 24 titles. So for Novak to become the undisputed GOAT, he needs to win at least one more and blah, blah, blah. But why though? Why are we going down the road of this cross-gender comparison nonsense? Physically, too many things are not equal between men and women to make cross-gender comparisons in sports. That is why sport is divided into male and female categories. This modern trend of comparing sports performances and career legacies across gender is intellectually and commonsensically imbecilic, and it's done by people who are either unwell or sick.